Here I have the LENOVO Vibe P1, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power, choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and volume up. So let's hold down together those three keys: power key, volume down and volume up. Keep holding those keys and release them as soon as Lenovo logo pops up on the screen. And this is the Lenovo recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's choose here wipe user data, press power key to confirm it, and here you can use fuse wipe data, fuse format data, or fuse or wipe cache simply. Let me choose fuse wipe data, press power key. So this operation will erase all your data. If you are aware of this, let's choose here yes. So let me do it, tap yes. The system is cleaning, so let's just wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Now let's tap back. Let's use back key again and choose reboot. And now you need to simply wait until the welcome panel pops up. Alright, the welcome panel pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. So now you can simply start activating your phone. As you can see, there is no pattern or a password, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.